Hello, Las Piñas. My name is Thad, and I'm the leader of New Eve!
Hello everyone, I'm Maki and I'm the Lishwa and one of the vocalists of this group.
Hello everyone, I am El, and I'm the main vocal of New Eve!
Hi everyone, my name is Wilson. I'm a vocalist of this group. Nice to meet you everyone!
Kamusta naman kayo, guys? Kumain na ba kayo? Hindi ba? Ano gusto niyo kainin? Bawal! Hindi. It's been a while na rin kasi since nag-perform kami sa ibang provinces. So, it's very nice seeing you guys here. Sa mga people fans ko dyan, hello po sa inyo lahat! Hello!
Gutom na sila.
Sa mga hindi mo po nakakilala sa amin, kami po isang K-pop group na nag-training po sa Korea for almost 1 year and 2 months. At kakadebut lang din po namin last year, July 25.
Kaya tama yan at ang perform namin kanina ay Ghost. So sana nagustuhan niya Ghost. Yeah. So, aside from Ghost, we actually released a Tagalog song when we debuted, right?
Yes, that's right. And that song is actually co-written by me para sa aming mga friends, family, supporters, and sa mga magiging supporters po namin right after this night. Ayan. So, hindi ko na patatagalin. This is the day we meet again, and we hope you guys will like it. Let's go.
Let's go. Made just for you guys.
Yeah,
diba?
nakakakilig kasi some of the audience. Alam talaga yung kanta. Thank you guys sa mga nakakalam mo ng kanta.
Okay, so with that, we're nearing to the end of our performance. But I just wanted to say something. Are you guys ready for a brand new partnership? May nakikita ba kayong mga suot namin ngayon? Meron? Ano ba yung mga suot nyo? Tingnan nga naman. Ooh. Huh? Hello? Okay, so very soon merong mga lalabas sa pictures na pwede bang sabihin?
Baby come, isa pa, mas mahaba, pwede ba? Baby come cry,
Okay, so okay naman kayo lahat dyan. Are you guys ready for a burning hot performance? Because this is our last song. Ready na ba kayo?
Yung mas malakas, ready na ba kayo?
Okay, but before that, sino dito mga nakanta na ng Dreammaker? Woo! Marami din Dreammaker fans. Alam niyo ba na yung kabilang group, yung Aster, nanggaling din sa Dreammaker? Okay, so we're a product of a survival show. Yeah, we're a product of a survival show, and I just wanted to thank P-Pop Caravan kasi na-showcase nila yung mga talent ng mga P-Pop groups na malay natin magustuhan yung songs, right? Tama po ba? Okay, so with that, this is our last song, and this song is called Deja Vu. Let's go! Okay. Kami pagod na kami. Kayo napagod ba kayo? Okay, so I'll give you guys this time para mag-retouch. Kasi mag-picture tayo together. Okay lang po ba? Okay. So, manager name?